Good everything, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I want to present my experience during my time studying at Anugerah Abadi. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Gregorius Fabian Lentini Rahim. I usually call it Fabian. I am from grade 9 junior high school, and today I will share my experience as a student at Anugerah Abadi, where I have studied for 9 years. I feel this school is quite good. During my time here, the teachers are strict and disciplined, and I have made many friends here. In my view, the facilities at the school are quite complete. The facilities include a library, classrooms, storage rooms, science laboratories, computer laboratories, toilets, a teacher's room, a school health unit, a principal's office, a mouse square, a hall, a podcast room, a Chromebook room, a canteen, hand washing areas, trash bins, and a parking area. At this school, I have made many friends from various backgrounds, ethnies, and cultures. My friends here have different habits and abilities. The students at these schools respect and appreciate differences among our another. In addition, this school has two classes for students with special needs. Here, we are taught to protect, respect, and help our another. In this school, we have a lot of school clubs. School clubs in this school includes futsal, basketball, scout, silat, and dancing club. But we can only choose two school clubs, and the scout school club is a mouse. The scout school clubs is done on Wednesday. Futsal and silat school club is done on Saturday. Basketball and dancing club school club is done on Tuesday. My opinion for this school is to fix and improve the grades and attitude of its student. To need this point, the teachers and parents. I hope this school will reach more achievements and will be the true school. Come on, join us and sing up for Anugerah Abadi Junior High School because this school have great facilities, the teachers are disciplined, and the kids are exciting and come from different fringes. Thank you